Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another GShock video. Today we are checking out the latest models that was released by GShock for the month of March 2021. We start with the AWGM Series. There are 3 models as part of this series. If you recall, recently GShock revived the AW500 analog watch, and if you haven't seen my review video, do check it out. The watches in this series have similar design elements, but they have included tough solar and multi-band 6 capabilities. Let's start with the AWGM 520-1A. This model is the closest to the original design of the first analog watch. We have the white and also the red hands along with the minute markers that has been labeled on the index of the watch. One thing common among all 3 models is that all of them have got negative display as part of their design. Next is the AWG-M 520BB all black model. Even all the wordings on the bezel of this watch has been blacked out. The last one is the AWG-M 520G. The watch has similar elements to the all black version, but the only difference is the rose gold index markers, and same goes for the hour and the minute hands. In terms of price, both the all black version and also the rose gold goes for 26,400 Japanese yen, roughly $250 US. As for the AWG 520-1, the one with the original color scheme, it goes for 25,300 Japanese yen, slightly cheaper at $240 US. Next in line, we have 2 watches as part of the rose gold metal series, starting with the AWM-500 GD-4A. This is the metal version of the AW500 series watch. Here, the entire watch has got a beautiful rose gold IP treatment along with a legible positive display. The watch has tough solar and multi-band 6 capabilities as well. Next, we get a digital watch, model code GMWB 5000 GD-4. Similar design concepts whereby we have the rose gold IP along with a positive display for a very luxurious look and feel for both of these watches. This watch has tough solar and multi-band 6 timekeeping as well. In terms of price, both of them are priced exactly the same, 74,800 Japanese yen, that's about $700 US. Next, we have, so this is some of the images that we have for both of these models. Next, we have the KAWAISATO Collaboration model. This model was announced much earlier by GShock. As we already knew, this collaboration is based on the new DWE5600 model watch. As part of this collaboration, you have a special packaging that you can see over here. It comes with 2 additional bezel and 2 additional straps. So in total, you have 3 bezels and 3 straps that you can easily mix and match based on your preference. The watch also has initials of KAWAISATO. The word K is present when the backlight is turned on. In terms of price, we are looking at 27,500 Japanese yen, roughly $260 US. Moving on, we are looking at a new model based on the very popular GA2100 series watch. This is the GMA S2100 series. This S series is usually targeted to women, hence the watches are slightly smaller. GShock announced 2 models, the GMA S2100-1A, very similar to the all black version of the GA2100 series watch, with a rose gold index markers and the negative display present as part of the design elements. In total contrast, we also get a all white watch over here, whereby this watch has got a positive display, very legible, and the index markers has got a metallic silver color. Perhaps now with the S series, you and your better half can have matching watches as part of your collection. Both of these watches go for 14,800 Japanese yen, roughly 140 US dollars. Coming up to my most favorite watch in the March release, we have the collaboration model with Sankuan's, and that is based on the MTG B2000. This watch was initially launched in China and it has been announced for other regions as well. I really like the stealth looking design that has been matched with the neon green accent as part of the design. So the button over here on the lower right hand side has got neon green colors along with the index markers, and the strap inserts, if you can see over here, the strap insert also has got these neon green colors. Looks pretty amazing in my opinion. Another thing that I noticed is that they have got this tagline by the artist here, "Kill the wall." Looks like it is engraved on the watch straps. In terms of packaging, this is how the packaging you're going to get as part of this release. It has a special outer box, including the main box with the green color neon linings as part of the package. Model code MTG B2000 SKZ-1A, pricey 148,500 Japanese yen, that's roughly 1,400 US dollars. So that is for the MTG B2000 model. Next up, we have seen this before. This is also being released in March, GSRH1000. This is the new collaboration model with Essex. Well, this is pretty much the same GBD-200 model watch, just that it doesn't have tough solar capability on this watch. Instead, what you get is a 9-axis motion sensor, and this entire collaboration is targeted for runners so that you get accurate readings based on your runs. The model code GSRH1000 AS-set, price wise 57,200 Japanese yen, that is roughly 540 US dollars. The last one for the March release, this isn't a actual official release by GShock in Japan. Instead, this is a special collaboration between British designer and artist King Nerd with GShock. The base model used for this collaboration, the GM6900. It comes with a custom printed strap. So you see the strap design here, including even the keeper has got a special design for this collaboration. This watch is limited to just 300 pieces worldwide, and GShock is accepting registration of interest on their website today. Apart from that, you also get a sticker and a limited edition hand signed and numbered print along with your purchase. So this is probably how it's going to look like. So this is the print that you're getting, and it has been signed by the artist himself. This will probably sell out in minutes, so if you are interested, do keep a lookout when it launches in early March. Price wise, it goes for £240. Coming to the end of our video today, end of production model updates. We don't have that many watches in this list, only 2 watches. First is the Daruma series DW5600DA. We knew the DW6900 model already discontinued earlier, so now even the square model is discontinued. And also the GM110B version model, the RB, the rainbow version, discontinued much earlier, so now even the GM110B version has been discontinued. So these are the only 2 watches that are part of the end of production list. Last one, this one is a bit of a surprise for me, one of the upcoming models. So this one, I don't have any other information at this point in time. I was just looking through the certification website and I found this GBD-200 present there. Considering the GBD-100 is still a new watch, I'm just surprised that GShock is already working on a newer version. So let's keep a lookout for more information coming out for this GBD-200 watch. If I do find any images, I'll make sure to post those images on my Instagram account. If you are not following me on Instagram, please do so. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support really does motivate me to keep producing these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and till next time, stay safe and I'll see ya.